Hello, it's Thomas from VESSL AI, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the VESSL Run template DoodleMe. All right, so here's the hub where we have a plethora of models to choose from. And let's scroll down to the face to sticker template and click on it. As you can see, there's a brief description and overview of the web app as well as the YAML file. And to launch the app, you can either copy and paste the quick start code or go to the top right and click Run with this model. From there, you'll be able to see your organizations and projects and choose one of each. In this case, I'll probably create a new one. And there we go. Now we're looking at our new run. And this page already has a template inserted. So here we can edit the metadata, choose our resources, and look over the tasks and variables. And on the right side is the full YAML file with all the repositories, directories, start commands, and also the Streamlit port. All right, so now we're going to create the project and be taken to the summary page. Once again, you can just check everything. And to the right of your summary page is the logs. There's also your metrics. And finally, the files. The metrics will show up after the run is finished initializing and running. And here we go. So we're up and running. And to try out the model, you can either go to Connect and get the SSH or a Streamlit link, or you can scroll on down to Endpoints and access it from there. So here we go. We'll just wait a little bit. All right, and there we go. You can drag and drop a image that you have, or just take a photo. So I just snap a quick photo of me, and then generate. And let's see if this works. Boom, there we have it. 3 stickers. You can edit the prompts, CFG scale, inference steps, image sizes, and like number of photos on the left hand. And then also, if you wanted to check your metrics, they are now up and monitored. So there you have it. A quick walkthrough on how to use the DoodleMe on VESSL Run.